Hi there everybody, welcome to another video. In today's video I have this Vauxhall Zafira 2015 model and I'm gonna be changing the pollen filter. So I've got my pollen filter here, this Hengst filter, which is this one here. Not an active, not a carbon active one, just a normal one. And the pollen filter for this car is sitting behind the glove box. So we have to remove the glove box. And if you open this glove box here, you can flip, let's get this out. If you flick this to one side a little bit and pull it down a bit, you can then flick this and put it all the way down to there. You can then have access to these 7mm bolts, which I already sort of loosened, and another one here, and there is another one just there, which is one that I haven't loosened just yet. So loosen those 7mm screws. So once we have the 4 screws out, we want to open this side here as well a little bit. Just open that cover out a bit with a screwdriver or so, and then we're gonna want to unplug this glove box from here. It might be a bit of a fiddle, but it does come out like so, and hopefully it doesn't drop like this. But there is this light here. Obviously you can disconnect it, or we can leave it like that, as long as it's not pulling too much on this cable, which is not pulling too much at the minute. You then have this cover here, which we want to take out. Okay, in this cover here there are 2 clips on the sides, and this is where the filter is. Right, and maybe with a hook you can pull it out. Also, just have a look at make a note of the arrow here. The arrow is going down. And this is looks like a genuine one, GM 13271191 or Z4001002 Mann filter. It's been there for a while. This one here is a carbon active filter. It's heavier, and the carbon active filters actually can deal with bacteria as well, filtering bacteria from coming into the car, whereas these ones here is a bit more flimsy. It's a pollen filter, literally for pollen, but it doesn't do bacteria or things like that. So if anything, I would recommend maybe getting one of these. So I just want to put this away, and we're gonna try to get this one in here. Okay, that's gone in, and now we can clip this back on, and I think the rest is pretty much obvious here. Want to fit this back on here. So it'd be a lot easier to do it with 2 hands, of course, but if you really want to see me do it with one, then there it is. Now I'm gonna put the 4 screws. Okay, I got the 4 screws back on. Just be gentle with them, and then we can close that as well. Push this up here, and you're pretty much done. So hope the video helps. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe. We'll see you all in the next video. Thank you for watching.